Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete downloaded videos on Netflix. I wonder why you want to know how to delete downloaded videos on Netflix. Maybe because you have seen all the downloaded videos and now you want to delete them. Or maybe you have accidentally downloaded any video and now you want to delete it. Or you just downloaded a video and now you think that you don't want to see the video for any reason and now you want to delete it but you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be for you to delete all the downloaded videos in the Netflix, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Netflix, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its title, and after that you will see this interface. First, you have to select a profile through which you can delete all the downloaded videos. Here you have to make sure that you have to select a profile in which you have downloaded the videos, because these videos will be only available in the profile in which you have downloaded it. So you have to make sure that you open it. So here I'm opening this first profile, which is in the blue color, because I have downloaded videos in these profile, and we'll see how we can delete it. So once I tap on it, it will just take a while, and after that the profile will open. There you will see a lot of videos on your screen. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom of the screen and also some of them at the top. So if you want to delete a video, first you have to make sure that you have downloaded that video. But if you want to get access to the download video, so you have to look at the bottom of the screen. There you will see three options. The left option is called home, where you could see we have a lot of videos. And other than that, the second option is for the all Netflix trending and hot videos. Whatever new things available on a Netflix will appear there. And on the right side we have downloads. Here you will find all the content that you have downloaded, whether it could be a movie or a series. So here you can see this is the video that I have downloaded, and now I will see how we can delete it. So once I tap on it, it will open because it is a series. Therefore first I have to tap on it and then I will see the downloaded episodes. So here I have this video that has been downloaded in the app, and now I want to delete it. So if you want to delete a video, you could see we have a pencil icon on the top right side of the screen. If you tap onto that icon, you will see few options on the downloaded video. Here you can see we just got a cross option. This one, if you click on it, the video will immediately get deleted like that. So now your downloaded video has been deleted, and now you don't have to worry that it will take a lot of space off your mobile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete a downloaded video on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.